Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email on your PayPal application. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open your PayPal application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into your PayPal account, from the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home page. If you haven't verified your email yet, you will see this confirm button right next to your email. Tap on confirm and click on confirm with Google or click on send a code instead. Choose any one option you'd like. I'm going to click on confirm with Google. This will take you to your google.com sign-in page. Go ahead and sign in using your email that is associated with PayPal. You can also click on send a code instead button and you'll receive a verification code sent to your email inbox. Open up your inbox and open the email from paypal.com and you'll receive your code in it. Copy the 6-digit code, paste it inside the verification field under PayPal account and click confirm. Soon after you confirm with your verification code or with your Google account option, you will be able to complete your email verification. And that's how you easily verify your email in the PayPal mobile app. It's a quick but important step to secure your account and enable full functionality. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.